So I'm just here with John, one of our technicians, and he's been working on our 1958 AC Ace. Now, it's nearly ready to go home, isn't it?
Yep.
So what have you been doing on the car? What does it need having done to it?
Basically, the car came in and the brakes are binding. We've took the brakes apart, checked all through, they're all fine, and we noticed that on the front brakes, the pads had worn into the caliper.
Right.
So we've faced the caliper again, got some new pins, put the pads in, greased them up, and then give it a road test.
And how was the road test?
It was lovely. It was a really nice car to drive. It's a perfect classic, really.
Yeah.
It was really enjoyable.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it was really enjoyable to drive.
And you had no notes on it after the...
No, it ran fine. Basically, just lovely car to drive and all good. So hopefully, customers will be happy with it.
Amazing, thank you so much, John.
No problem.